friends, good morning. Welcome to Maitri's Kitchen. So today recipe is another special NV recipe. Yes, so today we are going to do North Indian style, which is our chicken labadar. It's a very yummy and tasty chicken recipe. So let us walk into our recipe. The main ingredients is of course our chicken. I have taken 300 grams of chicken along with our cashew nut paste, tomato puri. These all are masala items like cardamom, cinnamon, cloves, javitri, cumin seeds, followed with chopped onions, coriander leaves, followed with chopped green chili, pounded garlic and pounded ginger. So let us walk into our recipe and let's see how do we do our yummy, tasty North Indian style chicken labadar. The first step to do our North Indian style chicken labadar is I have taken a pan, added 3 tablespoons of oil. I'm just gonna add all the masala items into it and fry it nicely. So starting with our cardamom, cinnamon, cloves, javitri. So cook it finely until the smell comes. Fry to a brownish color. At this stage I'm gonna add the chopped onions, 2 numbers. Fry it nicely until golden brown. Fry the onions nicely. So friends, you can find our onion is nicely fried. You can see here it's almost come out to a brown color. At this stage add the pounded ginger garlic into it. As we add the pounded ginger and garlic, sometimes it may splutter. So add a very little amount of water and fry it nicely until the smell of ginger and garlic, the raw smell goes off. I am just adding a very small amount. So you can find it's all getting fried nicely. Everything is nicely cooked. It's become to a golden color. At this stage add one by one all the masalas. So starting with our turmeric powder, pinch of turmeric powder, followed with red chili powder. Add the red chili powder as per the spice because we are going to add even green chilies. So I added a very small amount of red chili powder, followed with coriander powder. Followed with the coriander powder, I am going to add cumin powder, which is our jeera powder. We have not added salt at all, so add the salt as required. Mix everything well. At this stage, we need to add 2 tomato, which we have converted to puri. So I'm going to add tomato puri into it. Fry it nicely until the oil gets separated from the masala. All our masalas are getting cooked. You can find the oil is getting separated here. So this is the stage we can understand that the masalas are well cooked. All the raw smells are gone. At this stage I'm going to add our 350 grams of washed chicken pieces into it. Mix the chicken well into the masala so that all the flavors of the masala gets into our chicken pieces. One important tip that I would like to tell is everybody asks whenever we do chicken recipe, it is not juicy and it is in fact very hard or rough inside. The main tip to be noted is whenever you are cooking this chicken recipe, you need to keep the gas flame in high for 5 to 6 minutes, not to cook it in low flame at all. When you cook it in low flame, that's what happens. Keep it in high flame. Now my gas is in high flame and cook the chicken for 6 minutes in high flame only, so that you get a juicy and a soft chicken even you have it after a few hours. So now I'm just checking the salt. If needed, you can add the salt. I'm just going to add a very small pinch of salt, very little salt, followed with salt. I'm just going to add our green chili chopped ones. I'm going to add a very small quantity of water. As the chicken itself releases a lot of water, so not to add much water. So please note, while cooking the chicken, especially for this recipe, it has to be in high flame for 6 minutes, and only we need to cook the chicken to get the best result. So now I am going to add the chopped green chilli. I have taken 1.5 green chilli, and I am adding a very small quantity of water. That's it. So now quickly give a mix and close the lid and cook it for 6 to 5 minutes in high flame only, and then see what is next. Let me close the lid. In high flame you can find our chickens are nicely getting boiled. So now you need to note one thing. We need to take all the chicken pieces one by one and keep it out. So I will tell you the reason for that. So now start taking the chicken one by one and keep it aside. You can find all the chicken pieces are removed in another plate. You can see it is so very juicy. So now keep this masala aside and set it for cooling for 5-10 minutes. Once it is cool, grind it to a fine paste. And now let us see what is our second process. Next step is, I have taken a pan, added 2 tablespoons of oil. At this stage I am going to add the pounded ginger and garlic, followed with cumin seeds. The most important to be noticed is we need to cook this only in high flame. So I am just adding the ginger, the pounded garlic, followed with a tablespoon of cumin seeds. Only it has to be in high flame so that you get a very best result of chicken labadar. As it is getting cooked in high flame, keep stirring it, otherwise it will get burnt. As it is getting cooked, we need to add our masala, the pasted one, which we set it to get it cool, and then we grind it to a fine paste. That has to be added into this pan in high flame only. So you can find our masalas here. I have grinded to a fine paste. The masala color itself is changed after grinding it. So add this masala paste into this and cook it nicely. I am going to mix little water into the masala, not to waste it. The masala, the paste is added into it. The gas is in high flame only. I am adding the masala water also, not to waste it. So add the water. At this stage, check for the seasoning. You can add a pinch of chili powder if needed. I am just going to add little chili powder. Ensure it is in high flame. I am repeating it to get the best result. So just add a tablespoon of chili powder. So followed with our chili powder, I am going to add the soaked cashew nuts. I have soaked the cashew nut, around 5 cashew nuts in hot water for 5 minutes and grind it to a fine paste. So add this, followed with little garam masala, pinch of garam masala, salt is already added, so be very cautious. Stage, I am going to add 2 tablespoons of butter. Actually butter is optional, but if you add butter it will give a very enhancing and creamy texture. So please try adding butter. I am adding just 2 tablespoons. After our butter, I am going to add little coriander leaves. Mix everything well. Please note the gas is in high flame. Mix everything well. So as the butter gets melted, we will add our chicken pieces. Not to cook this for a long time because it's already cooked masalas only, which we have grinded into fine paste. So after adding the chicken pieces, in 1 minute or 2 minutes, we are going to off the stove and garnish it with coriander leaves or the kasuri methi and have it served hot. So at this stage, I'm going to add our yummy chicken, which is already ready aside. Just add the chicken pieces into it. Give a quick stir. Our mazedar chicken labadar North Indian style is ready to be served. So in 2 minutes, I'm going to off the stove, which is in high flame, and have it served hot. Flame is over. Yes, you can find a juicy, yummy chicken labadar is ready. So let us have it displayed.